Mommy F Diaries.
Want to improve your relationship with your child while encouraging their social and emotional development? Spending time with them can do these things and more. Whether you're a working parent or a stay-at-home one thing is certain: life is busy. Parents often find themselves zooming from one task to another, with little or no break. We are the keepers of schedules, the makers of meals, and the menders of boo-boos. Listen on for 9 different ways to facilitate quality time with your kiddos that help you get to know them better and make them feel appreciated, supported, loved, and understood.
Daily check-in.
As soon as your kids get home from school, you ask how their day was, and 9 times out of 10, you'll get the run-of-the-mill "it was good."
Whether it's over dinner or when you're tucking them in for bed, take time to find out how their day really was. What was the most interesting thing they learned in class? Did they try something new at lunch? Who did they play with at recess? The key to these conversations is making them less of a routine questioning and more of a launching pad for quality time, communicating about things that are important in your child's day-to-day routine. Special rituals, like bath time and bedtime. Let's face it, life moves more smoothly when routines and rituals in place. They help us and our children know what to expect and what comes next. But instead of using this time to hurry along the moments before bed, for example, use it to create quality time with your kids. Sing to your child during their bath, picking a favorite song or a new tune you both just heard. Make teeth brushing a game. If your child is into space, for example, you can pretend they are destroying asteroids with each and every stroke. Celebrate achievements and a job well done. Anytime you have the opportunity to celebrate your kids, do it. And no, we aren't just talking about when they get an A or perform exceptionally well at a sporting event. Let your kids choose. It can be hard to relinquish control to your minions, but, believe it or not, their requests for quality time might not be as outlandish as you fear. Ask your child how they want to spend time with you. Do they want to play together, color together, or craft together? Maybe throw a baseball or have a dance party. Keep it low-tech. There is literally no escape from technology in your day-to-day life.
Mommy F wants to share with you what her weekend be like after finishing her household tasks.
I go out with my children. We usually go to the malls. I let them pick what they want to do at the mall.
Mom, can we play at the Kidzuna?
Hindi mo napapagod dyan, Sky. Punching bag pala yung ano nyo gawa nyo
They play a vital role in our lives. However, spending quality time with your little one doesn't have to involve any tech at all.
Play, play, let's go out and play. Play, play, shake your worries away. Play, play, it's such a lovely day. Play, play, shun your worries away. Play, play, it's the time to play. Play, worries away. Hooray! Hooray! It's time to play. It's such a joyful day. It's time to play. It's such a joyful day. Yay!
Have a yes day. When parents have a yes day, they're essentially agreeing to say yes to every request their kids have for an entire day. I hope this video gave you tips on how to spend your quality time with them. Enjoy!
Mommy F Diaries. Mommy F Diaries.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, and subscribe. Like, and subscribe.